We could be taking control, yeah. Make it a move, yeah. We could be taking control, yeah. Make it a move, yeah. We could be taking control, yeah. If we try to believe in anything greater than a miracle, it wouldn't be this difficult. If we try to be a negative bull, yeah, we could be taking control.
Yeah, boy. Oh, nicer. Pretty good for one of this, hey? Alrighty, what is going on, guys? I've never ridden here before. We're doing shuttles and the conditions are perfect. I've also got a bunch of new Alpinestars gear from Bike Sports and Alpinestars themselves, so let's go ahead and unbox all this because I'm going to be wearing it today and for the foreseeable future. Alright, first things first, we've got the new Alpinestars Drop 8.0 shorts. These are actually sick. I was looking at them on the website just before. I did open one of these already just because it looked wicked and I couldn't wait to open it. Like good quality, man. Oh, it's actually awesome. Look at that. You got the logo down the bottom. You've got these little Velcro drawstrings to make it either loose or more tight. You also have zips on both sides, which really helps. I actually would not ride with any riding pants that don't have zips on them because how are you going to carry your phone and stuff without it falling out? So double zips on both sides. All right, so we're going to try them on in a minute. Next up, Alpinestars Drop 8.0 long sleeve jersey. Now this is the one that I opened because I couldn't help myself, and it's actually awesome looking. Suss this out. Yo! It's so cool. Got the Alpinestars logo on the back, long sleeve, and again, this is like proper quality. It's a lot thicker, I think, than any of the jerseys I've had, which is probably good for protection. And it just feels like a really nice material. I think I'm going to be wearing the shorts with that jersey today, but we've also got one more jersey to show you. The Alpinestars 6.0 short sleeve jersey. Let's have a look. This is actually cool. I haven't seen this one yet. Got like this gold sort of color, got the logo there, and then again, same on the back. Oh, there's even like a little, yeah, cool. There's even a spot for like your phone or maybe a couple of gels or something with a zip on it. And then Drop 6.0 gloves. Yo! I needed new gloves. I actually needed all this too. Like my current pants, I have 2 sets and they both have holes in them or they're too small. So we've also got the Paragon Light knee sleeves from Alpinestars as well. So all Alpinestars gear, which you can get from Bike Sports Australia. Man, I don't think I'll ever wear knee protection that isn't like the sleeve style because these feel like you're wearing nothing. I hate those big like bulky ones with huge straps because they seem to cut into your legs a bit. Yo. All right, let's go for knee pads next. I just want to get into some runs. Oh, these are comfy. Holy. Dude, these are freaking... I don't even feel like I'm wearing anything. Legit, I'm not even saying this just because I've got this kit, but it's actually really comfortable. Alright, what do you reckon? Do I look fresh? Yo! Hell yeah. Keen to try the gloves too. So if you live in Australia, we can get Alpinestars in at 99 Bikes. A lot of them will already stock it. Nice looking gloves. These are really, really light. More of like a XC glove, I think. But to be honest, I don't really look for too much protection in gloves. I really like the feel, and I like a thin glove. Same with my grips as well. I just really like feeling the bar. I know some people like thick, some people really like thick gloves with like gel on them and really thick grips, but not for me. Definitely a Good Friday. Do you get it? Because it's literally Good Friday. All right, that is all the new kit. Yeww, let me know what you think. Let's get into some shuttles now. Finally, let's get out there. All right, first run today. First run ever here, actually. Oh, it is slippery. Oh. These routes on off camber can be really slippery, like this exact thing here. My brake pad's getting a workout. Phew. Jimny Scott on the right. Deviate, eating it up. Oh, I just tire buzzed my balls. Oh, yo! I'm wearing no goggles either. Phew! Little nosy off the starter. Bro, went so quick down there. That was good. Oh. Yeww! Whoa, she's loose. Oh. Phew. Oh! Are you right? Gotta lean back. Attack position. Yeah. All right, second run down. I'm running in front this time. Whoa, off camber rock, front jumped up out of the air. Just regained traction. Bit quicker now down here. Whew. Little catch burn. Oh, loamy. Yeah. The back wheel's just like skidding around the corners. Oh, tight trees. Oh. Oh. That's a triple, but there's like a whoop in the middle of it. Oh. Yeah, there's a fast little section through here.
A little bit, not bad.
The two join up.
Yeah, cool.
So what you rode last time is what this one's like.
Oh, sweet. Blind rock garden. Oh yeah, boy, fast straight to my thing. Oh my god. Ooh. Little log and rock garden. Hitting it blind. Oh nice. It's steep and loose, very loose. Oh. What's up? Oh. Oh, where are we going? Oh, oh man. Actually, yeah, I like this line a bit more than the first left line we took. Oh. Oh, I love having Kush caught in the rear. Oh. Going to some different line this time. Oh! Oh! Oh, yeah.
Otherwise the shirt. Oh, there's more turn.
You can almost bunny hop it. Oh! Ah. Hectic. Oh, imagine I didn't unclip straight down the hill. Which way you want to go?
I like the right one better.
Yeah, let's
right?
go right. Oh! Dude, so fast into there. Yeah, besto. Oh my god. Mud in my mouth. Oh my arm pop. Gotta get the thumbnail. Yeah. Oh, my front wash. Holy. Dude, that section is so flowy. Oh, that is a lot of fun. Guys, that's it for the video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Let me know what you think of the new Alpinestars kit. The gloves feel so good, as do the rest. Looks hyped as. Deviate, absolutely ripped today. Thanks for watching, guys. As usual, subscribe if you haven't, like the video, comment where you want to see me ride, and yeah, we'll see you in the next video. Yeww!